3 tips for starting a Woocommerce store. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com and welcome to another Monday video where I share tips to help product owners sell more of their products online. Now in today's video, I wanted to speak about Woocommerce, and for those of you who don't know, Woocommerce is simply a plugin that you can actually use if you're using WordPress.org to help you to simply and easily sell your products through your website. I highly recommend using Woocommerce. I will probably be doing some tutorials on Woocommerce in later videos, but in this video I want to share 3 tips if you already have a Woocommerce store or if you're thinking about getting one. What kinds of things can you do to help you to increase sales online? Now obviously when you're starting your own website as opposed to actually listing your products on third-party platforms like Amazon and eBay, you have to do a lot more of the marketing yourself, whereas on those kinds of platforms there's internal traffic whereby people are browsing that website anyway and they might stumble across your product. But what do you do when you have your own site and you have to generate your own leads and traffic and sales? These are some tips to hopefully help you out. Now my first tip is to actually sell by education. I know a lot of people who have Woocommerce stores and they sell some kind of health or beauty product and they just kind of create their website and they kind of put the products on there, but they don't have any kind of blog or any kind of social media accounts that actually tell people or teach people about health and about beauty. You want to be able to share your knowledge on your website. Your website should be a hub where your potential customers can come and gain some really valuable information. So let's say for example you sell some kind of healthy living cream. When you put it on your skin, maybe it helps you to not age or something like that. There is a lot of other information you can be sharing on your website that also pertains to health, and you can kind of attract people who are really health conscious to your website, and these are the people who are most likely to buy your product. You don't want your WooCommerce store just to be a place where you try and take from your customers, but you actually want it to be a place where your customers can go and gain valuable information. What are their pain points? What do your customers need to know? What do they want to know? What do they desire? If you can actually create a website that your target customers want to come to, if you can educate them, then you can sell easily through education. My second tip kind of links into number 1 as well, and that is don't just create an online store, but build an authority website. Once your store has been created, that should just be the beginning of your marketing, and a lot of people stop there, but you should be constantly updating your website with new blog articles. You should be posting on social media. You should be building an authority website, maybe even contributing to other blogs within your niche and actually building a site that people want to come to. My third and final tip is to always be researching what some of your competitors are doing. You can gain a lot of ideas from other websites who are selling the same or similar products to you. See how they're marketing their product and whether or not you can do similar things. You don't have to always reinvent the wheel, but sometimes seeing what your competitors are doing can give you some really great ideas in terms of what you can do to better market your products. I would also recommend checking out Amazon and eBay as well to see what people are doing on there and to see how Amazon and eBay sellers are actually selling that same particular product. You can get some pricing ideas, and you can also get some general ideas about how they're actually writing their descriptions, the pictures that they're taking, and you can see what your competition is like. If you are new to generating sales online for your products, then I highly recommend downloading the formula that you see behind me. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. That's the formula to generating sales to your website for absolute beginners. So if you're struggling or if you're a beginner with generating sales online, I highly recommend going and downloading that ebook. But hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then please leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.